Did we lose somebody?
You better get me up.
I better
I'm
what?
trying to get you up in that camera now. Get me.
Hello. What seems to be the problem, ma'am?
You fell. You pushed me. She hit me and pushed me. I fell and rolled. Oh. I can't get up. I cannot make it. I'll be here. Get a pillow. Get me a pillow. And one for my hip. No, get me a pillow for my hip and my head. I'm down for the day.
Here, Aunt Claire, come hold this camera while I get this pillow.
Get the pillow.
Or you get the pillow. That's a shame.
It's this hip. You see the bone right there?
No.
You don't see that?
Right
there.
No.
It's here.
I
This
don't.
one's in and this one's out.
Yeah. Lift up that head.
And you see my foot is out.
Can you lift that head?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh.
Oh, crazy. That's why when she fell, you didn't know whether it was for real or not.